I'm Mike from Mad About Rhythm. In a minute, I'll show you a few rhythm exercises using the E minor, the G, the A minor and the C. But first, if you like my video, at the end of the video you can put a like, or you can subscribe to my channel to get to know more videos, more tutorials that I have in plan for you guys. So, first things first, we're going to use a 4/4 beat. That means the beat goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But we'll only use 3 of those beats. So if I use the E minor, which is this, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's that exercise where we do not play the 4th beat, but we leave the 3rd beat suspended. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is how it goes. Over here there'll be the chords will be playing. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, so the first 2 chords we're going to change is from E minor to G. Now this is how we're going to do it. We've gone over these chords in my previous tutorial, by the way, so if you don't know these chords yet, just check out one of my previous tutorials and come back to this one. So, E minor, now we're going to play from E minor to G. Now what I like to do, most of the cases I like to use shortcuts, or what I like to call anchor notes. Now when I play the E minor and I play the G, there's one note in common, and that is the 2nd note on the 2nd fret. So when you play the E minor, your middle finger stays where it is. It does not move. It uses itself as a pivot, as an anchor. So I play the E minor and I swivel round. Maybe I can slide a bit down to the metal bar, no problem. And I put the ring finger down and then place the pinky finger. So from E minor, pivot down, C, and I would practice this first. You go to G. This exercise is there to make you fluent once you're playing, to play on the beat. You don't want to be playing a song. Okay, so you want it to be fluent, so. Okay, now from the next change is from the G to the C. So you go from, this is a G to the C. Now from a G to the C, there's nothing similar to it. Well, on this, so you have to change all chords, all notes, excuse me. So you have to change all notes. So this is how it's done. From the G major, which is this one we just played here, the top 2 fingers, the middle finger and the ring finger, move 1 string down. So from here you move 1 string down. You take off the pinky and you put the pointy down. So again, from G, first step 1, move the middle and the ring down. You can either put the pointy first down or take a pinky or vice versa, as long as the first bass note is there. It's very important that the bass notes, this note here is a G, this note here is a C, that is the beginning of the chord. The bass note or the root note of the chord. It has to be first. The reason being that when you're playing and that's the first note you want to strike when you're playing the chord, because you can always have time to put the next fingers down afterwards. The timing is very, very important. So from G, you move these 2 fingers down, put pointy down and pinky off. Easy. Right. Now from C major, we're going to go to A minor. Now this is an easy one because there is one note that has the same, two notes actually, that are similar for a C and an A minor. So the pointy finger, finger number 1 and finger number 2, the pointy finger and the middle finger stay where they are. The ring finger from C moves all the way to go underneath the middle finger to make an A minor. Remember, use the pointy finger as a pivot. The pointy finger and the index finger as a pivot. So from C, pivot, you go to A minor. Okay, that's quite easy. Now A minor to E minor, you need to go, it's quite similar to the G to the C. Basically, you have to go upwards. So you move these two fingers, the middle and the ring, one string up, both together like that. Then take off the pointy finger and it's E minor. You go back down, you go in reverse. Doop, doop. Okay, so once again, middle finger and ring finger. Move one up and remove the pointy finger. Okay, then the next note is a G again. So remember the G pivot. Now from a G to an A minor, that's a complete change. It's not one string down. It's not a pivot. So you have to just be as quick as you can to go it. So is the middle finger goes first. So middle finger from G to A minor goes one down. The ring finger goes underneath it, and the pointer finger goes next. So 3 steps from G to A minor. Step 1, middle finger down 1. Step 2, ring finger underneath the middle finger. And step 3, pointy finger on the first fret, second string from the bottom. So obviously when you're doing that, remove the pinky finger from the G to A minor. Okay, so G to the A minor. And again. On an E minor, so down like that. Okay, so we'll play it together in one go now. Play it I suggest you play it very, very slowly first. Then gradually you build up the speed and you play it
exactly at an accentuated speed.
So that when you play it at a normal speed, it will be simple and a piece of cake for you. But whenever you make a mistake, start from the beginning, otherwise the system won't work. So it goes like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to send a comment. If you do like this tutorial, please do not forget to put in a like, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. This is Mike from Mad About the Rhythm. Thank you. Bye bye.